You can get started.
Okay. Yeah, welcome to PYP, Play Your Parts. It's a decentralized game that aims to teach everyone about Hedera. You can check us out in the URL. Also, right now, Play Your Parts empowers Africa's creators, whereby we are building a new ecosystem for Africa's vibrant creative community. Also, meet the visionaries, Emmanuel, myself, and Success, my teammates right here. And also, there's a high limitation for current split-to-earn models, whereby there's lack of ownership, there's the hinder genuine community buildings, and many play-to-earn experiences, they neglect long-term value and user growth. Right now, our solution for in Play Your Parties, we build a Play Your Part as a vibrant 3D hub, whereby there's a study room to engage immersive learning experience about Hedera, teaching to mint tokens, and AI fish oracles to learn about Hedera and PYP itself, and digital ports to access community events and other available users. And Hedera rules in PYP, whereby Hedera is very fundamental to our ecosystem, whereby you can create tokens, you can mint tokens, NFT support badges. We also have personalized reward, and also we use Hedera token service to reward our users and players seamlessly via Hedera token services. Right now, why do you choose Hedera for PYP? Hedera is very unique architecture whereby there's low fee, and also it ensures seamless and responsive user experience, and also is very eco-friendly and aligns with sustainable development goals. Right now, our current status is we have current working MVP from the URL we saw in the landing introduction, and we also have integrated wallet workflows. Right now, we have roadmap priorities whereby we have live HTS minting for creators and milestone-based token releases, and a lot more coming from us. And also, we asked for support for growth. Actually, we need guidance and expertise to optimize our Hedera integration. We need Hedera credits to support our development and ensure scaling efforts. And also, we also need partner introductions to connect with key players to expand our reach and impacts. Play your part in your future. And now let me just show you the how it really works. So right now, these users will log into the website to sign up and put in their required information. Actually, I've signed up already. I use my existing profile. Yeah, you see the profile information. Users will fund users wallet with 20 bar. And these are the previous transactions I've done before with my wallet. So I can view every transaction on AskCan transparently thanks to Hedera token service. So users would be greeted with an introduction message. So here's my profile as a user. And also users will also have to claim daily rewards with the plans. So yeah, users can check out the in several courses to download the hash pack to interact with Hedera. And here's like it's illustration about Hedera, best view about Hedera services, consensus service, and token service. So right here is the aquarium. We didn't meet aquarium where you meet the fish. Also right here, set up your wallet, how to connect your wallet. To have connected my wallet already, so I have to just connect automatically. And here's the key. Here's Oracle Fish AI. Whereby through this AI, you can learn about Hedera and PYP itself. So right now I'm going back to the room. So right here we have several use cases whereby we have talisman, whereby users will have to complete some tasks to activate each talisman, and if users will mint each talisman and activate each talisman to get their rewards, and each talisman will be shown in the user's profile. And also I can view my transactions transparently on AshCan thanks to Hedera. And also there are several other courses. So the key that got before has been used. So users to get about is there a public ledger and how it is like an alternative to blockchain, and a lot of courses to let users to understand about Hedera. Imagine this project being in Hedera documentation, whereby new users, existing users can learn about Hedera. So right here, users will understand how to interact with the game. So right here is just to tell users about what we have in the project. So these are the talisman collection. You can activate and deactivate any talisman that you have currently. Thank you.